Think your software is not supported by Stripe or PayPal? Many business owners assume that means they are stuck, but you're not. Here's what you will find. If you search for what to do when your cart is not supported by Stripe or PayPal, you will see plenty of merchants frustrated by limited options. Most mainstream processors only integrate with a short list of platforms. So if your software is not on it, you're stuck with clunky workarounds or worse, switching platforms altogether. That's where EasyPay Direct changes the game. With 250 plus integrations plus in-house developers, they can support nearly any card or software you use. On top of that, you get mobile payments so you can process transactions on the go and chargeback mitigation tools that alert you before disputes spiral into account issues. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get unlimited high ticket processing so you never have to worry about transaction caps slowing your growth. If you've been told your software is not supported, EasyPay Direct makes it simple to keep the tools you already use and still accept payments reliably. Click the link in the description to get started.